So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll right here and then make sure I click on settings right here. Click on settings, allow it to load up, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google. So click on Google right here, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on all services right here. It's going to take you right here. Right here, what you need to do is to scroll down and then make sure you look for search, assistant, and voice. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down and get to Google Assistant. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Assistant, Voice, and Sound. Click on it. It's going to take you right here. So if you're satisfied with this particular voice right here, you can click on OK. Or better still, you can go ahead and choose on another option. So it's that simple. So let's try on another voice. Let's try this one. Okay, I think I'm going to choose this particular voice right here. Now, the next thing you want to do now is to see how we can actually make use of this particular Google Assistant right here. So what we want to do here is that we just need to speak with our phone, "Hey Google," and in a few seconds, it's going to pump up right here. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. And then make sure you click on I agree. Now you have to read what is on the screen right here. Say, "Okay, Google, what is the weather tomorrow?" Say, "Okay, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes." "Hey, Google, make a call." "Hey, Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday." Just like what you see right here, "Hey, Google" is ready. Click on next. Next thing we want to do is to say, "Okay, Google Assistant, can you open my Chrome browser?" And in a few seconds, it's going to open up our Chrome browser right. Alternatively, if we want to have access to voice search on our phone, we can simply click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then when you create a new tab, you see this particular mic icon right here. Click on it. Then make sure you click on while using this app. Can you please tell me how to define biology? It's that simple. So just like what you see right here, you can see the result in a few seconds. We can click on see more right here and we'll be able to see all the results as far as how to define a biology is concerned. "Hey Google, can you please tell me how to browse on YouTube?" That's going to take you right here. Then from YouTube page right here, we can also make use of this particular mic icon to search for anything we are looking for. And for us to do that, we just need to click on this particular icon right here. Click on this icon. Can you please show me a video that teach how to open Facebook accounts on YouTube? You can see it right here. This is a video that teach how to open a Facebook account. So we can go back to the mic again, click on the mic icon right here again. "Hey Google, can you please show me a video that teach how to run Facebook ads in 2025? You can see it right here. How to use Facebook complete tutorial, how to Facebook ads. You can see so many video recommended right here. It's that simple.